My name is Mwasi. I'm a media strategy and innovation consultant with the Center of Business Innovation and Training. I'm here to present or to have a conversation with the Secretariat about the use of technology in enhancing board activities. It's important that we start looking at board activities from the perspective of technology, because technology is here to enhance and is here also to enable activities at the board become streamlined. So my conversation has been, and this one is for quite a long time, to see how we can actually make them more efficient and be able to make them better. In our case here, we know very well that boards actually oversee institutions, and institutions have a lot of data within themselves. That is, their activities and what they do from time to time, including the strategic plans that also inform the activities of the institution, and also things to do with the policies. But you also realize that board members are not people who are stationed within the organization. They only come in once in a while to go through the documentation. So these documentations have to be precise. They have to inform the growth of the organization, and therefore these documents have to be good enough to grow the organization. Today we are talking about artificial intelligence, which actually has become a sensation. It's changing industry, it's looking at different industries, it's growing industry. And what is happening is that technology is not replacing people. Technology is actually enhancing, and it's those who are using technology that are taking over other responsibilities, and therefore reducing the numbers maybe in institutions. So it's a good conversation, it's a conversation for growth, and this is a conversation we also have in the sector working group that was constituted recently by the CES of Information and the Digital Economy, that is Mr. Eli Owalo. And we are supposed to be looking at the regulations and seeing how best we can manage the conversation about AI and the other technologies that come with it. Thank you.